To shell a large batch of pumpkin seeds, scoop them out of the pumpkin and clean them in a strainer under cool, running water. Spread the seeds out on a firm surface, like a cutting board or countertop, and gently roll a rolling pin over them. Use just enough pressure to crack the shells without smashing the seeds inside. Put some water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil on the stove. Then, boil the seeds for about 5 minutes, or until the seeds separate from their shells. Strain off the water and discard the shells. Then, spread the seeds out on a tray lined with paper towels to cool and dry off.